girl Fabuni. Welcome back to my channel. If you're old, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Turn your post notifications on. Comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below some of our video ideas. Just my lips are crusty. I just woke up. But yes, those are pants on the thing. Don't act like you don't have them at your mom's house. Okay, I'm just playing. But in this video, we're gonna be doing a morning routine for Chanel. Today is Sunday. I guess you guys didn't even know that, but I recently got a, well, not even recently. She's very hyper, y'all. Please don't mind her. I got a puppy. I think that was my last video that I uploaded. I think it was me going to get her, like 2-hour drive. But I'm gonna do her morning routine. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on. Her name is Chanel. She is 4 months in a couple days. So yeah, let's get this started. Okay, so first thing I do in the morning is, first things first, y'all, she sleeps. I'll let her go. I'm gonna show y'all what she sleeps in right here. So this is what she sleeps in. She sleeps in like this little black crate. I got it from PetSmarts for like, I think $30 this is her water she drinks out of. I think I'm gonna change her water to like a cup of water, like a bowl of water in a couple more weeks. Don't mind that. But this is what she eats out of. That's what she's currently doing. Don't mind my bed. This is her bed she sleeps in. I don't put it in during the day, but I do put it in like at night. These are her wipes that I wipe her with. I got them from Ross. So yeah, don't mind all that other stuff up there. But this is her bed. And then first thing I do when I get up is I change her pad. And I put another pad in there. Then I give her some food. I wipe her every day. I wipe her toys down. But y'all gonna see. I guess she wants to steal the show. What you gotta say, sis? What you gotta say? Huh? You wanna say something? Do you wanna say something? Do you wanna say something? Huh? Chanel. Chanel. Hey, Chanel. Hey, Chanel. Hey. She's very active. It kind of bugs me sometimes, but I'm trying to learn how to get with it. If you know what I'm saying. But let's get this day started. Say peace out. Say peace out to my people. Okay, forget you. Look at my baby Christian. This is my second animal, y'all. I didn't forget about him. He feel like I did, but I didn't. Christian ain't got time for your ass. Look at him. He looks aggressive, but he really will claw your eyes out. I'm just playing. Okay, so this is where I keep Chanel's food. Y'all like my hair? Alright, these are the training pads that I use for her. I got 100 count at Walmart for like, I think $15. $10 or $15, good price, good steal. This is where I keep her food at. Currently, she is on this right here. The Purina One Smart Blend Healthy Puppy Formula Vision Frame, blah blah blah. Yeah, this is what she's currently on. And then this is what I wash her in right here. And then her food right here. I just got in this little container so I could just look at her. So I could just, you know, go straight to it. But now I'm gonna get all this stuff upstairs so I can go finish upstairs. So she has had a bath. She's very cold right now. As you can see, she kind of freaks out a little bit because she only, so far since I've had her, she's only had like, I think 2 or 3 baths. I think 3 baths. This is her 4th one, so she's still getting kind of used to the little bath situation. So you have to bear with my sis. She's getting to it. She's getting used to it, so we're not getting into it yet. So when I blow dry her, I sit her down. This is the blow dryer I use. I just use a regular, you know, regular blow dryer. And I get into it, as we should. Okay. I blow dry her on low, and then heat low, speed low, you know, because it has all that extra stuff on there. Wait, it's not working. Hold up. Do we not have power? I'm just playing. It's just not working though. She don't like this. I'm gonna make it a little bit hot. A little hotter. There we go. She's all fuck. No, she. That's not even a hot Chanel. Y'all, she's just a drama queen. A real life drama queen. Can't stand this bitch. Okay, we gonna go back to low. Because low was cold. Let's try it. Chanel. See, you gotta calm down because you acting out. I'll be back, y'all, when I'm done with her.
Man, the hair hanging, man, he can't see the hair. Look, it's about that big on the damn towel, hanging from the towel, dangling. Come get this hair off my floor.
Okay, you guys, I finished. She's not 100%. She's like more like 75, 80%, but she's gonna be in the house all day today, so she should be okay. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below some more video ideas you want me to do with her, cause we back. Say Chanel, we back. Hey, she's shaking because she's still kind of cold. But I'm out, y'all. Don't mind mom in the back. I'm going, y'all. Tell him a real nigga was here.